This brand is a part of the Paloma Group, and the water heaters are made in the USA by Rheem Manufacturing, but they can only be purchased through their dealer network with professional installation. The brand features units with electronic gas controls and silicon nitride hot surface ignition systems, which are more reliable and require less maintenance than spark ignition systems. The Professional Achiever Series powered vent models are available in 40 or 50 gallon sizes with a 0.65 efficiency rating, while the Professional Achiever Plus Power Direct vent models have a sealed combustion system which makes the home more energy efficient, and they are backed by a better guarantee than the Achiever Series models. The Professional Ultra Super High Efficiency models are their most efficient water heaters with a 0.88 efficiency rating, and they have built-in leak detection with an LCD control panel and an audible leak alarm. They offer an optional automatic water shutoff valve and are backed by a very good warranty, as well as having built-in Wi-Fi for control through their EcoNet smartphone app.